did this. So, wait. What's next? No, it's oil. Back the oil's next up.
It doesn't matter how you put it in
Eggs. Maybe you don't want to do it by the water.
there. You need one. You need a half a cup
Half a cup.
of.
Half a cup. And you have a cup. Half a cup.
That's 1/3 cup.
The rest of the half a cup?
Yep.
Pour it in.
You gotta let Tristan do something.
All of it.
You gotta pour it.
Just more.
No,
More.
pour it. I'll tell you when to stop. All right, hold up. Go ahead. You can pour it. Keep pouring it. Keep pouring it. Just be careful.
It looks like slime.
Okay, okay.
It looks like slime if you really look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Ew. Yeah. It smells good though.
Okay, now you crack your eggs.
I don't think you. I don't need to.
Make sure no shells go in there.
Make sure no.
You have to hit it.
Like stop. Like this.
Look.
Oh.
Yep. All right. Then you do the thing.
Oh. You can see it's sticking out. I still think it's gonna smell good.
There you go.
Still smells good. I don't eat this stuff. You.
Okay, now you get your mixer.
Oh. Ooh, that's fun.
And don't
Turn
turn
it
it on high. Turn it on low. Push it up one. There you go.
Why is it spraying wind on my face? Why is it spraying wind in my face? It feels good. Whoa. I think it looks like a tornado. It's a
And
baking.
a cup of water. Hold up. Turn it up.
Move it. This thing is heavy. It's heavier. Is he turning on and mixing? Hey! Tristan! Why did you turn it on? Why did you mix it? Okay, I'm mixing. Yeah. Is this on high?
Well, yesterday you couldn't press the button.
I wasn't pressing the button.
Yeah, make sure you get lower than that.
That's what you get. It smells like gasoline. That smells like gasoline now. That smells like gasoline. Ah. It smells like gasoline. It doesn't smell like gasoline. You smell it. Smell it.
Okay.
There. Oh my god, Tristan.
Okay, now you gotta get your pan for your cake.
Are we supposed to take this out?
Just leave it.
Butter. God. So it doesn't stick. Is it so it doesn't stick or so it does stick?
So it doesn't stick.
Ah. When this happens to butter, and butter looks actually kind of good. So it doesn't stick to the sides and rip. So most people tried it, but it doesn't work in a cooking shop. Some people didn't. Some people tried it and it didn't work for them. But all people tried it and now it works. Tristan, this is not coming on.
Alright.
Take that out. That looks good.
You can taste it.
I don't want to taste it.
But that's, that still got some of the egg in it.
I don't want to taste it yet. I don't want it to spoil it.
It's just the
I don't want to spoil the taste of it. No, it's just the cooking batter. I don't want to taste it. But then,
Alright, so then you're gonna pour it.
here we go. It's like cement. It's like cement. This is actually kind of satisfying. They're kind of satisfying. It's like a sandwich. Looking like a sandwich. We need to make two cookies. We need to
You can make some cake with the rest of the bed.
Yay! There's more? No, I'm gonna make two cakes and put one of them in there.
Okay.
Like a three-layered cake!
Only got one box of cake. It was just sitting in there.
Two-layered cake.
So you got a cake.
I wish we had two so we can do. Now we
Okay,
do.
now you can make the icing. So what you need?
Icing!
You need powdered sugar.
Powder sugar.
Yep.
We need a bowl.
2 eggs. I'm gonna wash the cake over.
Milk. We need
Oh,
a bowl. We used all the eggs, right?
You don't need eggs for it.
We need a bowl. Oh, we still have an egg.
3 cups of powdered sugar.
3
Give
cups.
you your cup.
Whoa! How did I get a small cup? That's not 3 cups, that's like
You do it 3
4
times.
cups. Like 4 cups.
Alright. Then you dip your cup.
It's like
in
4
your
cups. 4.
I mean, sit up a little bit. Ooh, you can pour them.
I think you should sit on your box or something. Oh, sit on it. Fill the whole thing up.
Alright. So that's 1 cup. Pour it in the bowl.
Oh.
And look like snow, don't
Yes. I don't mess with snow
Hmm?
creatures.
it? Yeah, that's for snow creatures.
Yeah,
Alright.
some of them hibernate. But a chickadee doesn't head south.
What is a chicken?
Chickadee.
What is it?
It's something that's sneaky, fast, and gets help from woodpeckers. They don't really get help from woodpeckers. They steal. What? So if a blue robin or red robin came and disturbed them in chickadee's food, one chickadee would distract the bird. The other chickadee would take the food. They would hide it, and they would remember.
Okay, who wants to put the butter in?
And they would remember where it goes. Where it was. Yeah, where they hid it. Whoa. Is it empty? It's empty.
It's one big
Milk! Milk! It's milk! Now, you have to hold this.
Wait a minute, because I want you to mix the butter and the
You guys
butter
did.
and the powdered sugar first.
You guys did. I want to mix it. Like a rainbow. Can you move those? She's watching me down. I'm not putting it on 5. I'm just going to put it on
Y'all see the other
1, 2.
see the other one?
No. I see it. I think.
No, that's two.
Oh. Come on, JR. This is my fault. It is. But you are not saying what I don't. That's what I don't. Skip you keep on hitting your chair when you didn't say your reason.
Okay. One more.
I want to miss it this time. Milk it time.
Got it.
I'm gonna be on this. And I pour the milk in.
All right. Oh, I don't need that. Here. Give it back. You don't need that right now because you're doing this. Okay. Now turn it on. Only up one. Now make sure it's mixed all in.
It looks like egg yolk. It looks like they are smushed eggs. It looks like egg yolk. I can barely see the egg.
Bring it. You gotta make sure you get all this over here. Put it in. Put it in. Okay. Now you want to put
It looks like our penguin
Your
got bathed in
tablespoon.
the snow.
your tablespoon of milk in. Here. You got it? Okay, now mix it. Mix it.
I can actually see the bottom when you go in here. There's a bottom that's there.
Can you get that? Get the ice cream up there. On the side of the bowl. Get the powdered sugar off the side of the bowl. Look.
That's something on me.
It's just icing. Okay. Turn it off again. And here's a teaspoon. You have a teaspoon?
Yeah.
No, that's the tablespoon. Junior, stop. Tristan, stop. Let him do one. Here you go. Teaspoon.
This is what I picked up.
1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
That's not.
Just put it in.
That's not.
No, just put that in.
Oh, that stinks. Yeah, it
Okay.
Close
then
now.
you need to have.
does. Oh. Yeah, I know.
I can smell how nasty that is from over here.
That's just, yeah. Guess I can mix it. This stuff stinks. It looks normal, it doesn't change.
It's just to give it flavor.
Except for now it's fine.
Alright, it should be done right now. Okay. Do you want to taste the icing?
Yes.
It's buttercream icing.
It's buttercream. Nasty.
I thought you were gonna say buttercream barf, put it lime.
Buttercream
That
bar.
would be
No, you
funny.
can't put your hand back in.
That would be funny.
It's buttercream bar.
You like it?
Blah.
Mmm. It tastes good. I can smell it. Daddy, you should taste this.
Alright, so now we're gonna put the cake in the oven.
Tristan, what do you call the cake with no flavor? Buttercream barf. No flavor.
Alright. Who wanna put the cake in the oven?
Me. I tell the best jokes. Follow.
Alright, wait a minute.
Flavor.
Hold it with your hands.
Flavor. I can't even say. I don't know. A pancake? Oh, that's
Put it
hot.
in.
A rampage.
Put it in.
Why are you laughing? That wasn't funny. Okay.
Pull it the other way.
The other way. Which way? This way? This way. It's floating. This is satisfying. Satisfying.
Wait a minute. It's still dripping. Alright. This is gonna give your icing a little color.
Blue. I already have it all over my hand. I don't have anything in my hand.
Alright, what color are you using?
Blue. And red. Just because it's all over my hand.
Okay. Go ahead. Put your colors in.
Ooh.
So you can stay. Yes.
Ooh, Mama, look.
I see it.
I want to look cool. Mine looks like a galaxy.
It do.
Mine looks like blood. Why,
I think y'all might have put
Tristan?
too many drops of dye in there.
Whoa. The white stuff is stars. This is so cool. This is cool. I wish I got green. Yeah, you should have got green.
Yeah, I think y'all put too much in there.
Yeah, now yours look like, one of the sides looks like it's real blood. What the?
Just
The
doesn't
comments
look like
below.
blood.
If anybody starts using bloody jokes and star jokes, I swear.
This RBG is
What
almost
did
done.
the blood say to the galaxy? Oh my god.
I got
I'll
14 of it.
I'll gag you later. Oh my god. That is not funny. What? That is not funny. Look, yeah, there's a little black in it.
But no,
You're
I
gonna
started
mix
out
that.
on, what is it,
Let me see.
I want mine to look more like a galaxy. Anyway.
salad.
If you mix more colors with it, would. Can I make mine look like galaxy?
You can try the purple. I don't think it's gonna work.
It's not gonna work. It's
But
not
try
gonna-
the purple.
The blue will work. It works.
Just try stirring it faster to see all of it in there.
I'm trying to make it
There
look
you
like a
go.
galaxy. It looks less like a galaxy. I'm missing black.
Let me see.
There's black on the sides.
You gotta stir it real good.
Ooh. Stir it fast. I'm gonna try a little bit. Just one drop on it. Whoa! It worked, Tristan. Tristan, look. What are you doing? Oh my god, he's copying.
Don't do it like you did it the last time. Come in, look like. Oh, it look like black.
What? If you mix red and green, they make black. What? Red and green, they make black.
No.
Just
It just made it darker.
maybe you should just add a different
That was
color.
a darker red. No. Don't keep adding.
Okay, I'm just gonna stop right here.
You like it like that? I like that.
Yeah, because it looks like a galaxy. I don't like it like this.
And then
It's too hot.
don't use a bunch of colors like you did the last time. The last time you made a real,
Poop
I don't know which
color.
one. Yeah,
A poop.
that's enough.
I don't even do.
You always go
He
too
made
far.
poop. Last time he made poop. He made poop. Some of it got on the table. Even though that wasn't a video, last time he made poop. I remember.
He didn't make poop. It looked like poop.
Yeah, it looked like doo-doo. Okay, now it's even darker.
Nothing will help it lighten because red is a dark color.
How about you try a lighter color, Tommy?
No,
I'm not making.
and it's not nice to call names, Junior. So apologize.
Sorry. Look at my spoon. Look at mine. Whoa.
Yours look like Superman color.
What does mine look like? Look at my spoon. Whoa. How does it taste? I hope it tastes like galaxies.
Can't get it to focus.
It looks cool. So Tristan's too.
I do.
Oh, it's pretty good.
That man just look like blood on the spoon.
It tastes different.
It don't taste different. Don't put that spoon back in there after you lick it. Don't put it back in there. You're making a mess.
Oh. You can tell which one is mine. You can tell which one is mine just because mine is blue and purple.
Nobody wants to eat your spit.
blue and purple
Alright.
is a good match.
We are done with
Yeah.
the icing.
What's this for then? It's
Leftover icing.
So I can eat it?
Can you go get me a clean spoon?
Yes. You're gonna make your own icing too?
No.
Ah.
We can do half and half on the cake.
What?
No.
This.
Stop.
That one. Oh, you're trying to make Tristan's look cool? It's never gonna change. Yeah, Tristan's right. I don't think it's gonna change. Maybe it'll have different colors. Yeah, that's a good thing. It's a candy cane. Why does Tristan look like a candy cane all of a sudden? What? Red and white. Oh my. Something smells even better.
It's the cake in the oven. Look.
Oh. That looks so good. Whoa.
No! Don't put that spoon in there.
A clean spoon.
Can you use this spoon in my hand? Alright, go put that spoon in trash.
Whoa. Tristan's thing is gonna look like a candy cane. This is gonna look like a candy cane. Okay. Make it look like a candy cane, please. I want to see a candy cane action. Let's make it look good.
I want to get that refund.
Still the same.
Yep. It's okay though.
Well, let me. No!
mixed it
What?
once.
It has little white dots. It has white dots.
It always has.
If you mixed it slowly like this, you would be able to have a candy cane.
It still doesn't matter. Okay. Well, we're done.
I'm gonna put.
Alright.
I'm ready.
So what you're gonna do is pour it only half. So this is junior half.
Here's that. This is my half. Yay! We both get our own sides, so he won't be over on my side and mess it up. So they won't be on my side messing up.
Alright. I wanted to put it on there, but
That'll just make a mess.
yeah. So just take some of the icing.
It'll just make a mess. What? But can I do it? No. Yes, I think. I don't know. Can I do it though?
Yes, you done it. I just wanted to stir it up.
No. Just pouring it on the wall make a whole mess. That's why she said we're not going to move on.
So you can put it on your side only.
This looks so
Right, I'm gonna
good.
pour it.
Tristan,
And you rub it in. On your side.
yes. I'm happy mine's being blocked. Now if you try to do it on my side, it won't work. I'll hold it.
It's under the cake.
It is a good thing there's a paper towel.
Yep, that's why the paper towel there.
Because if it wasn't, he would just be peeing on the table. That would be a disaster. That's fine. I like your
this side.
Tristan, I'm liking your side.
Yeah.
I'm starting to like your side. Wow. I can't wait to see a spacey. Mama, I have something. If we try to put a towel on Tristan's ones, put a towel on Tristan's ones.
You're not gonna do that.
Oh,
Because his is already done. So you don't have to do that.
I'm trying to get this part done, but this paper. You're able to, if this part dries, you're able to touch the paper. The thing is able to touch the paper. You can touch the paper. Oh, cool. This looks so good. Your side looks actually kind of good. But on yours,
You're gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it harden, and then put another layer on it. And then you can put the sprinkles on it. Alright, so feminine side is complete. Let me wash it off.
Mine is not. Are we ready to take it off?
Yes, you can take it off.
Mine was unharmed by Tristan's stuff. This is the cake so far.
Okay, Junior.
It's
Pour
me.
it on. Well, I'm gonna pour it on and
Thank
spread it.
you. Spreading Space is now. It looks so cool. I know. We need to shape
You gotta hurry up and spread it.
But we need to shape. No. Oh, wait, never. But we need to shape some of it. Alright, my part will be a heart. Oh. Yours is dripping too. I know. Mine's. You have a big mess on yours. Like, oh, I'm not starting to make a big mess. Wow.
Hey man, what are you eating? Okay. Look, look, this looks like it's green.
It does look a little green.
Like the globe.
A glow.
Yeah, world globe.
Mine look like Earth.
Yep.
Yes, it was supposed to look like space. No, that looks like water. No, Tristan, it's space. What happened to the purple? Where'd the purple go?
What purple?
I added purple in this.
Oh well. Yeah. When you get to Tristan's side, you need to take it and do it just like this. Turn your hand, and you need to take the edge.
Okay. Hey Tristan, my side's not getting on the towel. It is getting in here though.
Are you sitting? Can y'all sit in the chair and you stop?
Stop. No. Oh, I know how it's turning green. I need more. Some of that I can't reach. There's a piece over here that I'm not able to reach. Now it's gonna start dripping on that side. some stop. Right here, like.
Come in, let him do it himself.
It's starting to drip. There's still this part that's not covered. They're not even covering it, all of it. Go ahead faster. There. What are these for then?
They're for your
Sprinkles?
yes.
Yee! My sprinkles are going to be shaped like stars. My sprinkles are going to be in a star formation. My sprinkles are going to be in a heart formation. But I wish I was eating chicken right now. What? Nothing. Just mine isn't even exactly this. It might be this.
All right, you want to put it in the freezer and let it hold.
God. Why is it not going?
Is it open?
Yeah, it's open. See?
All right, hold up.
Oh, there one goes.
You got it?
There's one right here.
No, just leave it on there.
Interesting.
Let him do it himself.
It's coming out. I need to fully open this. Why isn't this working? I'm using the star one.
Gotta shake it. Yeah, do it like that. Do that.
I'm gonna put this right here.
See you better.
Do it like you was doing it before. Hit it. Yeah, there you go. So you turn it to where it's facing the cookie cutter.
The cookie cutter? Where's the cookie cutter?
The cookie cutter on the cake.
This is harder than it looks. It looks easy, but it's very hard. After you rip all the paper off of it. What? You didn't rip all the paper off of it.
You don't have to.
Why isn't that going in?
Alright, let Femin do his.